respected Tala Tala, the village elders, assistant district officer, senior government officials, youth members from the respective youth clubs, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bula Vinaka and a very good afternoon to you all. And thank you for being here for this handing over ceremony. Farming is a profession of hope. Today is a reflection of that hope emanating in the lives of our youths. This afternoon, I shall do the honors of handing over assistance under the Youth Farm Initiative Program to the 3 youth clubs present here. In the recent months, we have developed policy on service delivery to our youths in the number of ways. And one such policy is the Youth Farm Initiative. And therefore, we as a ministry, we are going far and wide in reaching out to our youths to assist. Rest assured, we are not just providing you with the short-term assistance. Our monitoring team will oversee the farm projects, and as and when you will require additional support, you will be assisted based on the progress report that will be submitted by the respective assistant youth officers. But today, this afternoon, I'm very pleased to hand over a total of 83 well-deserved youths farming tools and providing funding for the land preparation. Yesterday, I did the honors of handing over the same type of assistance to the 2 different villages, and a total of 137 youths benefited altogether. Today, you add to the number here in the Central Division. I have always believed in that the youths of today has much to offer for the generations to come. So, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, with these few words, I would like to congratulate all the recipients, and may I take this opportunity in wishing each one of you a very Merry Christmas. Vinaka, and thank you.
Smile. Ready? Smile.